HIKARI HW800TC Computer Direct Drive Multi-Needle Sewing Machine. Advanced computerized multi-needle machine. The innovative automatic thread cutting and automatic lifting foot function, making production easier, decreasing the working intensity by 40%, efficiency increased by 20%, and the lifetime extended by 100%. Combine multi-patterns, adopting advanced mechanical structures that are different from the traditional, make energy transfer efficiency significantly improved, and reduced the vibration of the machine reasonably. Significantly improved work efficiency by more than 20%. Multi-needle gauge optional, 4 needles, 12 needles, 13 needles, 19 needles, 23 needles, etc. Integrated upgrade design, improve hardware and software performance, effectively ensure the quality of the seam, eternal LED lighting, greater range of illumination, 20% increase in efficiency, half the labor intensity, and double the life expectancy. HIKARI HW800TC Computer Direct Drive Multi-Needle Machine. HIKARI, focusing on new technology and automation.